welcome back to another episode of SQL Interview Insights. Today let's solve an interview question which was asked at Google. I got this problem from Scratch and we are given two tables, file store and word list. File store, it has two columns, file name and contents, and word list table, it has two columns, words1 and words2. We need to find top three most common letter across all the words from both the tables. Ignore the file name in the file store table. So we can ignore the file name here, but we need to collect all the words from the contents and get the count of each letter in this contents column. Output the letter along with the number of occurrences. So this is the expected output. So letter A, it has 62 occurrences, E has 53 and T has 52. These are top three common letters in all these three columns here. So since we are given two tables and three columns and we need to extract the letter count from each column here, we should do a union all across all the columns. So the approach here is we have to convert this entire sentence here into a list of each letter. So in order to do that, we can use string to array in Postgres. So that will be select string to array, and the expected output, we have all the lowercase. So let's convert that to a lowercase for contents. And for string to array, we need to provide some kind of delimiter. But in this case, we don't have a delimiter since we have to extract every letter from this sentence here. So let's put a delimiter as null. Let's call this as C from file store. So the output looks like we have an array with the list of all the letters here, and this is what we are expecting. And if you see, we have a space also for between each words, but now each word is again converted into a single letter here. Now if we can convert this entire list of arrays into a single row by using unnest, that will return a single row for each element in this array. So let's try with unnest here. So with unnest, it converted that entire list of array into a single row for each element here. So if we can do the similar unnest and converting that string to array for the remaining two words, and later we should be able to do a group on the individual letters and get the count there. So let's do an union all with the other two words. I'll copy the same select statement. And this will be words1 from word list table. So now we have the entire list from all the two tables, from all the three columns. We have to do a group by, select C as letter and do a count star as occurrences from, and let's filter out these the null or the spaces what we have in that these words here. So whatever we see here after the we have a space, so that's the output we see here. And let's filter out. We need to provide some alias here where C not equal to the space provided, and since we are doing a aggregate function, group by C. Yeah, so now we have the count for each letter from all the three words there, or from all the three columns. But we have to have top 3, right? So we need to have a rank function here. And also we need to have number of occurrences. So I'll just call this as number of occurrences, and let's calculate the rank here. Rank should be on order by count star descending. Let's call this as Rn. Yeah, we almost got the output here. All we have to do is select letter and n of occurrences where Rn is less than or equal to 3. I just used a subquery here. We can achieve this in various methods. We can use even the CTE method, but I mostly use CTE if I'm using that query repeatedly somewhere in the subqueries. If not, I'll always go with the subquery approach. Let's try to run this and see if we get the expected result. So we have this letter AET with 62, 53 and 52, and this is the expected results which match with our results here. Thank you for watching this video.